Hello, I'm Tamara Wyman, and here at Wyman Plumbing, we always strive to be on top of our game. Our team is so excited to be one of the early adopters of the LightRay pipelining system. It is a state-of-the-art, cast-in-place pipe technology that is ushering trenchless into the 21st century. It delivers higher quality results compared to the older traditional thermal heat or ambient curing processes on the market today. And it is a new way to cast emergency pipeliners, which can be deployed rapidly in the field with no wait list. This no-dig trenchless technology has so many benefits. It is cost-effective, saving our customer thousands of dollars. There is reduced downtime, with most residential repairs only taking a day. It uses environmentally friendly materials and techniques. It preserves landscaping in slabs with no need for trenches and holes, better functioning drains, and last but not least, long-lasting repairs with a lifespan of 50 to 100 years. We are proud to offer a Wyman trenchless guarantee. We guarantee all of our trenchless pipelining materials used for 10 years. Our team is confident that when done correctly, as per the manufacturer's specifications, pipelining applications can last 50 to 100 years. So give Wyman Plumbing a call and let us give you a quote and a free second opinion to see what we can do for you.